All right, let's start with the basics, Sam. Let's see, what's the optimal time? What are options for time of videos, and what's the optimal time of a video that you found?
Well, the idea with short form video is to keep it short. That can be many things, and I think it's good to vary. I think anytime you hear me talk about TikTok, I'm going to say try it out, experiment, and see how it goes, and do that a couple times consistently, over 3 months, and then look back and see what worked for you. Short can mean a minute, and when you're making a TikTok here, you're gonna see, Michelle, where my ceiling leaked, and they're fixing it on Thursday. It rained a lot, so we're gonna start a video here. See, there's a Zoom recording, camera, and leaky. Oh, look, there's my finger. I can point to it. Leaky ceiling. They're gonna fix that. Anyway, when you hit record, you have a 15-second option, you have a 60-second option, you have a 3-minute option. Some people now have a 10-minute option. Okay, so a lot of times what I will do is I'll stick to the 60 or I'll stick to the 15. So 15 would be like really short. And honestly, that's pretty ideal for TikTok, keeping it, 7 to 20 seconds, 15 seconds, really, really good. Sometimes though, I'm trying to teach a concept that needs a little bit more time, in which case I personally always limit it to 60 seconds. You can push that a little bit. TikTok always likes when people try out their new features, but see what works for you. I find that 60, 15, those work pretty well for us.